So with this, I shall kind of just walk you through some of the details from a Lean Six Sigma standpoint. The agenda that I'm going to cover is overview of the BPO industry. The reason I want to cover this is the BPO industry itself has evolved so much. So what really is BPO transforming into? The role of operational excellence and Lean Six Sigma. The reason I'm using the term operational excellence is, again, we've covered this earlier in some of the presentations, that Lean and Six Sigma is a science, it's a methodology, it's a way of life. And operational excellence imbibes the best practices or best of tools from Lean and Six Sigma, maybe some maturity frameworks, traits, etc. And that's why we're trying to talk about operational excellence, which is a larger umbrella, and not restrict ourselves just to Lean and Six Sigma. Then I would want to share a little bit of perspective on the ingredients that we need for a successful program. We've had, evolved this program over the last few years in Accenture. It has worked really well for us, and I can go ahead and share some of those details with you. And then the last part, I would probably cite a couple of examples which will help us understand how our customers get benefited because of our endeavors. So let me begin by giving you a perspective of what is the BPO industry, and I'll also share what exactly is the Accenture BPO part of it. In the earlier part, earlier years when BPO industry was being set up, maybe about 10 years ago, the whole outlook towards business process outsourcing was that you took a process in the US or Europe, wherever, move it to an offshore location, India, Philippines, China, wherever, and streamline some parts of the process. Okay, so you gain some efficiencies, take out some FTs, and that's it. You're done. Game over. You've transitioned the process. You managed to take out some efficiencies, reduce the cost one time for the client. Bingo. But today, that's not good enough anymore. That is not even what the clients are looking at. In fact, today, given the market scenario, there is not a lot of cost arbitrage that the customers will get excited about for offshoring. It's there, but it's not that significant contributor anymore. The rates of employment have gone down, and hence the salaries, expectations, and everything has also come down. And you can actually run a process, similar process, in the US for not so high a cost anymore. So that arbitrage is shrinking. And obviously, again, another example, the peso has improved, right?